Have you ever thought about investing but felt like you needed a ton of money to get started? Here's the good news, you don't. In fact, you can start investing with as little as $10. That's less than the cost of a movie ticket or a fast food meal. Investing might sound complicated, but it's actually a powerful way to grow your money over time. And today, I'm going to show you how to take that first step, no matter your budget. When you hear the word investing, you might picture Wall Street, big numbers, or complicated charts. But the truth is, investing has become incredibly accessible thanks to apps and platforms designed for beginners. Many of these platforms allow you to start with just $10 or even less. For example, apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash are beginner-friendly and let you invest in something called fractional shares. This means you don't need to buy a whole share of an expensive stock like Amazon or Tesla, you can own just a small piece of it. With $10, you could own a fraction of a company you believe in. Here's how you can start. 1. Pick an investment app. Most apps only take a few minutes to set up. You'll need basic information, like your name and bank account details, to link your funds. 2. Decide where to invest. A popular starting point for beginners is index funds or ETFs. These are groups of stocks bundled together, so instead of betting on one company, you're spreading your risk across many. Think of it like a fruit basket, you get a little bit of everything. 3. Invest consistently. Your $10 might not feel like much, but if you make it a habit, those small amounts can grow into something significant over time. For example, if you invest $10 every week for a year, that's $520, not including any growth from your investments. Let's make this even more relatable. Say you skip 2 Starbucks lattes a month and invest that $10 instead. Over a year, you could have $120 invested. And thanks to compound growth, where your money earns money, you're building a foundation for your future. Starting small is better than not starting at all. That $10 could be the beginning of your financial freedom, opening the door to new possibilities for you and your family. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. If this sounds helpful, give it a try. And if you want more tips on how to take control of your finances, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your questions or success stories in the comments below. Your journey to investing starts now, one small step at a time.